and it's so fluffy from inside. This is ultimate Thai comfort food, guys. Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing an ultimate Thai comfort food called Khai Jiao. Khai Jiao simply means omelette in Thai, but when you talk about Thai omelette, it doesn't mean an ordinary omelette. Thai omelette's kind of fluffy from inside and crispy from outside, and it's the ultimate comfort food. Like ordinary omelette would just have egg and salt beaten together and then it will be fried, but since it's a Thai omelette, we'll be using fish sauce and other flavoring agents to create this amazing flavor. But we have a surprise for some of you guys who might not want to have fish sauce. So first version that we are doing is Khai Jiao Gai Sab, which is Thai omelette with minced chicken. And the other version is Khai Jeow with no chicken, no fish sauce, and it is specially for all you guys who do not like chicken or not like fish sauce and still would like to enjoy a Thai omelette. I would not like to keep you guys away from this glorious Thai omelette. Let's start cooking. Firstly, we are doing the chicken omelette, for which we are cracking 2 eggs. Please make sure to bring the eggs to room temperature because we'll be cooking the omelette on high heat and we do not want the oil's temperature to change. Secondly, I'm going to whisk the eggs, breaking the yolk's consistency and letting the yolk become one with the egg white. This will help our omelette fluff up. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of minced chicken and mixing for about a minute until well incorporated. Next up, our sauces. I cannot emphasize enough about the unsung hero of Thai cuisine, the fish sauce. It not only adds salt to your food, but a good quality fish sauce lends amazing depth of flavor to your food. Like you would keep wondering where the flavor is coming from. Oyster sauce, another great flavor enhancer. This sauce is a little thick, so you may have to be patient until it mixes well with the egg. Then comes white pepper. If you do not have white pepper, then use black pepper. Or do not use at all. The final product will still come out very well. Obviously, we're not adding any extra salt because both oyster sauce and fish sauce have salt. Then I'm throwing in sweet basil. Mix well, and that's it. I would cook this immediately, but since we are doing an vegetarian version of Thai omelette, let's prepare the ingredients for the second Thai omelette. Just like the first one, I'm using 2 room temperature eggs. I'm beating the eggs well enough to ensure the omelette will turn fluffy. Then I'm adding some soy sauce. Soy sauce has salt, so we're not going to add extra salt. Plus, the goodness of fermented soybean paste is going to lend amazing flavor to our omelette. I'm also adding thinly sliced onions. Continue beating the egg. Next, some white pepper. And then finally, just throw in the Thai basil leaves. I'm using sweet basil, which is very easily available in all grocery stores in Toronto. Thai holy basil would be great as well. Okay, now it's time for the eggs to hit the wok. We are cooking the chicken omelette first. Not having a wok should not stop you from eating this great comfort food. Please feel free to use whatever cooking pot you have. I'm adding generous amount of oil. Normally for Thai omelette, you would often see Thai street vendors using up to a cup of oil. But I'm going to use only a 1/4 cup of oil. A pro tip is to let the oil heat up properly and only then add the egg. Now I'll pour in our first chicken and egg mixture to the hot oil and let it cook for 20 to 30 seconds depending on the intensity of the heat. Please do not turn or flip until the bottom side has attained a light golden color. The advantage of using a wok is that the whisked eggs do not spread too thin as they would do in a saute pan. Also, the wok allows us to turn or flip easily. I'm using a turner and a spatula to turn so that my omelette does not split. Thai omelette does not have to have even edges, so that is one good thing you do not have to worry about. Another 20 seconds and we are done. Keep a plate with a napkin on it ready to absorb the excess oil. And there you have it, our first version of Thai omelette with chicken. Okay, so here's the other version with no chicken, no fish sauce. We're going to follow the same method as the previous one. Egg whisk goes in. After 20 seconds, flip or turn it. Wait for another 20 seconds and transfer it to a plate. Please have the rice ready, as this omelette is to be served immediately. I have prepared some beautiful aromatic Thai jasmine rice. You can also use basmati or any other aromatic rice you prefer. For garnish, I'm using sliced cucumbers, some shallots, the customary sriracha sauce on the side, and Emmer and I are ready to eat. Let's eat.
All right, let's eat.
I put extra sriracha sauce for you.
You know how much I love sriracha. I can put sriracha on anything.
Yeah, even for your breakfast.
So I'm tasting the one with the chicken and fish sauce first.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's a big bite, yo.
I need to increase my bite size from the next one. Okay. Wow. I love the crispiness on the edges.
And it's so fluffy from inside. This is ultimate Thai comfort food, guys.
Wanna switch? I wanna taste some of that.
I feel like if you're feeling lazy, don't want to cook some elaborate dinner, this is the dish to cook. Thai omelette, guys. How do you find it?
You know what? This is so flavorful. Expecting that the one with the chicken and the fish sauce would be better. I love the flavors on this one.
Yeah?
Maybe even a little bit more.
I just love it, love it, love it. I enjoyed making this so much because obviously this is comfort food and I love omelets. My mom makes omelet all the time.
And everyone has eggs in their refrigerator, right?
Yeah.
So why not try this? I think it was quick, it's super easy.
Super easy.
Makes for a great quick dinner or breakfast or lunch. Anytime meal.
Yeah, anytime meal. That's all for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!